In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete 1000 emails on Gmail in just 5 minutes. If you're anything like me, your email inbox might feel a bit overwhelming at times, so let's get right to it and help you clear out that clutter. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail. Once you're there, make sure you're signed into your account. Upon signing in, you'll be greeted by your primary inbox. Take a moment to scan the page. You'll notice that your emails are listed in a familiar, organized format with the most recent ones at the top. For today's activity, we are going to focus on getting rid of a large batch of emails that you no longer need. Now direct your attention to the top right section of your inbox. Here, you'll see a small unobtrusive box. This is a checkbox that when clicked allows you to quickly select multiple emails at once. Go ahead and click on that box. Once selected, you'll see that a number of emails are automatically highlighted, indicating that they are chosen for the next action. This feature is a real time saver, especially when compared to the prospect of deleting emails one at a time. After checking the box, you'll notice a small message popping up. Gmail is letting you know that you've selected a certain number of conversations on the page. Now here comes an essential step to maximize your efficiency. Right beside that message, there's an option labeled Select All Conversations in Primary. Click on this option. What it does is select every email within your primary inbox, not just those that are visible on the page. It's pretty handy, right? With all your emails now selected, it's time to say goodbye to them. Look towards the top right corner of the page again. This time find and click on the trash can icon. It's usually accompanied by the word delete. When you click this, Gmail will move all the selected emails into the trash, essentially removing them from your inbox view. A quick note here, although the emails are now out of sight, they'll remain in your trash folder for 30 days. After that period, Gmail permanently deletes them. If you're sure you'll never need them again and want to free up space right away, you can visit the trash folder and delete these items immediately. However, it might be wise to let them sit there for a while just in case you change your mind or remember something important. So there you have it. You've successfully cleared 1000 emails from your Gmail inbox in no time at all. Before we wrap up, let's talk about a few additional tips that can help you maintain a clutter-free inbox. Consider organizing your emails using labels. Gmail allows you to create custom folders to categorize your emails better. It can be a practical approach to manage emails that you do need to keep track of. You might also explore setting up filters which automatically categorize, archive, or delete incoming mail based on specific criteria. This is particularly useful for newsletters or promotions you don't want to see cluttering your primary tab. Another helpful feature is the canned responses or templates. Gmail allows you to create templates for regular replies you might send out. This could make responding to certain types of emails a breeze and save you time. Lastly, if you find certain emails keep coming in but are of no use to you, don't hesitate to unsubscribe from them. Most newsletters or promotional emails will have an unsubscribe link at the bottom, making it easy for you to stop future messages. And there it is, in just a few minutes, not only have you learned how to delete a massive amount of emails swiftly, but you've also gathered some tips on how to manage your inbox more effectively moving forward. Remember, keeping a tidy digital space is just as important as organizing a physical one. It can improve productivity, reduce stress, and help ensure you don't miss any critical communications. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please feel free to like the video and subscribe for more practical tips and tricks to manage your digital life. Thank you for watching.